Now let us have a look at the rising window. In the previous video we looked at the falling window. So the market is coming down. Now it starts to go up from here, and you have the rising window here. There is a gap here between the low of this candle and high of this candle. So we know that the rising window becomes a support area. So if I were to buy here, or I were to take a long position here, I would keep my stop loss under this lower line of the window, because that is a more powerful support than the upper line of the window. So I would keep my stop loss just below that lower line, because the entire window is becoming support now. So this is our support zone. So I'll keep my stop loss below the support. So that's my risk that I am taking, and I can expect the price to go up. The bulls are sitting here, as you notice. So that would be my reward. Now in this case I wouldn't take this trade in reality, because the reward to risk is not 2:1. I would want at least a 2:1 reward to risk ratio. If it's 2.5, it's even better. So since this is not 2:1, I would skip this trade in real life. But just to illustrate the power of a rising window as a continuation pattern, just have a look at this. After this, the price just skyrocketed. It's a continuation pattern. This is a although it's a very long white candle, doesn't mean that the market will stop and start falling from there. It continued going up, okay, and it broke that. It took that support line. It took that resistance line. If we would have kept our profit target here, we would have achieved our profits in just a few candles. This is a daily chart of Bank of Baroda. So just in less than a week, we would have achieved our target on this large candle here. And by the way, this is a shooting star, if you remember. Okay, it's a very large upper shadow. Okay, another thing to notice is that the Windows support is well respected. The market came down after a steep rally, and look what happened here. That's why I say that the Windows window becomes support. So for that many days, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 5 or 6 days, that entire week, the window has held as support. The entire window, the distance between the lower upper line and the lower line of the window, this entire window has held as support. Okay, so our stop loss was here. You understand? So that should give you the confidence that the rising window becomes support. Okay,